Hello and welcome to our instructional video on solving the problem x squared minus 24x plus 144. In this video, we will walk you through a step-by-step process to find the solution to this algebraic expression. So grab your pen and paper, and let's get started. To solve the quadratic expression x squared minus 24x plus 144, we need to recognize that it can be simplified by factoring. In this first step, notice that the quadratic expression can be rewritten as a perfect square trinomial. A perfect square trinomial is an expression of the form a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, which factors to the binomial a minus b squared. Here, we have x squared minus 24x plus 144. We need to identify values for a and b. In our expression, a squared is x squared, so a is x. Next, look at the term 24x. In the standard form minus 2ab, the value minus 24 represents minus 2ab. Here, a is x, meaning the term 2ab simplifies to 2 times x times b, with minus 2ab being minus 24. Solving for b gives 12. Next, look at the constant 144, which is b squared. B squared equals 144, confirming that b is 12. Therefore, the quadratic expression is a perfect square trinomial and can be written as x minus 12 squared. In step 2, we verify and simplify the quadratic expression. We rewrite x squared minus 24x plus 144 as the binomial x minus 12 squared. This step involves converting the trinomial back into its simplified binomial form. By identifying that the original quadratic, x squared minus 24x plus 144, can be expressed as x minus 12 squared, we fully simplify the problem. This confirms that the quadratic expression factors neatly into a perfect square binomial. Thus, the final expression is x minus 12 squared. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.